Hi, my name is Christian and this is my project, the WeatherBox. The Raspberry Pi is connected to the Arduino via serial. This is how the Raspberry Pi sends the Arduino the temperature data from outside. There is a sensor attached to the Arduino which gets the inside temperature and humidity. The Raspberry Pi and the Arduino are connected to the network switch, which is then connected to a router. If you choose to port forward port 80, then you can access the Arduino from anywhere. But if you don't, you can still access the temperature data from any device that's connected to your network. The Arduino gets the temperature and humidity in your room using the temperature sensor. It also gets the live data from the Raspberry Pi. It then displays all the information on the web server that can be accessed by any device that has a web browser and is connected to the internet. The Raspberry Pi uses an API called OpenWeatherMap to get the current temperature. It makes a request, then sends the response to the Arduino via serial, which then displays it. The Ethernet port is used to make the WeatherBox more weather resistant, and it also allows everything to be much neater. The network switch is used so that you don't need two Ethernet cables, as sometimes you only have room for one. It also allows you to add, example, an extra Raspberry Pi or Arduino without needing even more Ethernet cables. The sensor port is used so that you don't need to remember which pins to plug the sensor into. It also allows you to have the sensor on the outside of the WeatherBox without having any wires sticking out. Here is a video of me using the WeatherBox. First, log in. You will need to find the IP address of the Arduino. Next, open the WeatherBox app. From here, you can check the status, see the weather, and learn more about the WeatherBox. Weather panel is used to check the weather. About is used to learn more about the WeatherBox. And status is used for debugging purposes in case something is not working as expected.